Hi everyone, welcome to story time. This Saturday is Halloween, so I thought I would read you a fun story titled Frankenstein Doesn't Wear Earmuffs. It's written and illustrated by John Loren. Upon a haunted Halloween in deepest dungeon lair, awakens monstrous Frankenstein to give us all a scare. Beneath a grim and ghostly sky, the moon alight with fright, Frankenstein emerges on a dark and stormy hold it. Not so fast there, Frankenstein. Those clouds are looking iffy. So take my old galoshes here. They're waterproof and spiffy. And giant red and floppy boots that just don't fit him right. Frankenstein emerges on a dark and stormy hang on. It's getting pretty chilly out. You'll need some warmer gear. So take a scarf and parka, please, and stick these on your ears. In giant red and floppy boots with earmuffs way too bright, Frankenstein emerges on a dark and stormy, hey, wait! One more thing you better bring. You'll thank us later, champ. It's mighty dark outside tonight, so take my campy lamp. Just a moment, this won't do. Your pail's not up to snuff. Try this spacious fanny pack to carry all your stuff. Like batteries and extra socks, you can't be too prepared. A roll of tape for stuff that breaks, reflective underwear. And don't forget before you go to snag a wholesome snack. These crunchy nuts and raisins are the perfect thing to pack. In giant red and floppy boots with earmuffs way too bright, a puffy orange parka and a heavy camping light, some smelly stinky, okay, that's it. Frankenstein doesn't wear earmuffs. Roar! There's no dungeon that can hold him. Your earmuffs are no use, for Halloween's begun to last. At Frankenstein is loose. But the wind is really whippy. It's pretty dark and foggy. His Franken tummy's grumbling. His shoes are getting soggy. Now his ears are feeling frosty, and he starts to Franken think that maybe this year's Halloween will really Franken stink. Hey, hi! Hi, hello, hi! Look! The witch has woolly mittens, and the werewolf's got a sweater. The ghosts have fuzzy hats on. And he feels a little better. So Frankenstein wore earmuffs on that night so grim and ghostly, and dark and stormy Halloween was pretty warm and toasty. I hope you enjoyed the story today. I've also created a Halloween craft for you to come and pick up a kit at the library so that you can make this fun Frankenstein lantern all on your own. Hope to see you at the library. Happy Halloween!